Hello everyone. In the previous video we have seen how to install Vesper application server product on a Red Hat Enterprise Linux 5 machine using graphical user interface method as a root user, right? So in this video I'm going to explain you how to create a profile using a profile management tool. Okay, so in the previous video which I just shown you how to install the product, so I didn't created any profile in it. So let's create a profile and let's start using the Spare application server product. So here this is the Red Hat Enterprise Linux 5 operating system. So let's log in as a user. So open the terminal, and as I mentioned before, we installed the product as a root user, right? So let's switch to the root user. Oops. Okay, so where did we install the product? If you remember, the default location for the Vesper application server product is under opt. So here you can change the directory to the product installation location. So this is the product installation location or product home directory. So opt IBM Vesper app server, and here you see the bunch of directories created by this product. And so the main important file to look here is, or the directory to check here is a bin directory. So it will have a lot of scripts to run it. So if you look here, right, many of the files end with .sh and they all use for different purpose, and they all come with the product installation. So which one is important here? Okay, so to create a profile, so if you look at here, so there is a directory called profile management. Here is a directory profile management, cd to that profile management ls, and to create the profile, so you have to use the profile management tool. So profile management tool is a graphical user interface tool. So so to open this or to run this profile management, so you have to execute the script that is provided by the Vesper application server product called PMT. Okay, so this is again external command that comes with the Vesper application server product. Let's run /pmt.sh. okay, so this is a profile management tool screen. So you can run the or you can launch the profile management tool, and on the right side you see create. Click on that. So here it will ask you to select one of the profile that is provided by Vesper application server network deployment 7.0 edition. So here are like cell management application server, custom profile, secure proxy. So they're all the environments or profiles provided by Vesper application server network deployment 7.0. So let's select the application server. So this is a default profile or standalone application server profile. So which provide a single server feature, so where you can use one application server with it and you can start working on it. So let's choose that. Click on next. So it will provide two options. One is typical creation profile creation and typical profile creation, and another one is advanced profile creation. So here let's use a typical profile creation, and we'll discuss advanced profile creation later. So click on next, and at this moment I'm not going to enable the security. So I will discuss this about the security in another video. So just disable this security. Click on next. So here are the profile creation summary. So the location where the profile is going to create, the disk space required to create this profile, the profile name, and so this is a default profile, and it make this profile the default as true. And here are the node name. Here is the node name, server name, host name, and the deploy the administrative console. So it is recommended to manage the WebSphere application server or administrate the WebSphere application server. So deploy the default applications and enable administrative security, mark it as false, and there are some port information. So to launch the console, so the port number it is giving here is 9060, and the secure port number is 9043. HTTP transport port is 9080. HTTPS transport port is 9443. Bootstrap port 2809. Support connector port 8880. So they are all the default ports. So when you create the default application server profile, and when you are creating the first application server profile on your system, these ports are the default ports. Okay, now let's create the profile. Click on it. Okay, profile creation is completed, and you can click on finish button here. So to complete the profile creation, and here are the first launch the first step console. So we will discuss about this in next class, next video, and I will just stop. This is how we create the profile management. Using the profile management tool, we can create the application server profile, and to launch the first steps, so you can just click on finish. So let's watch my next video.